In a massive security crackdown, authorities at Parappana Agrahara Central Prison carried out an intensive late-night search operation, resulting in the seizure of 30 mobile phones from within the jail premises. Officials have described the haul as the largest recovery of illegal communication devices in the prison's history. The operation, which continued into the early hours of Friday, was led by Superintendent of Police Anshu Kumar and jailer Shiv Kumar. A specially formed search team systematically combed through various barracks following credible intelligence inputs indicating that inmates were illegally using mobile phones to maintain contact and coordinate activities outside the prison. Sources said the search was conducted with strict secrecy and precision to prevent any leakage of information, ensuring the success of the operation. The seized phones are believed to have been used in violation of prison rules, raising serious concerns about internal security and external criminal linkages. In recognition of the professionalism and integrity displayed during the operation, prison authorities announced a cash reward of 30,000 rupees for the members of the search team. Officials stated that further investigation is underway to determine how the devices were smuggled inside and whether prison staff or external networks were involved. The operation has once again highlighted the challenges faced by prison authorities in curbing the misuse of technology inside correctional facilities, even as officials reiterated their commitment to strengthening surveillance and enforcement measures.